Would you like to know the 3 secret places that you can put your link on Facebook without getting penalized, without Facebook reducing your algorithm reach? Then stay tuned in this video because I'm going to take you behind the scenes into my Facebook profile and show you the 3 places that you can place a link and not be penalized by Facebook. Hi, I am Lindsay Sewell, and if you are new to my videos, I help high-achieving network marketers and entrepreneurs to personally brand themselves, stand out online, and create your legacy. And today we're going to talk about how you can use your free Facebook profile and still post your links to your website, to your lead magnets, to your coaching program, whatever it is, but not be penalized by the Facebook algorithm smack. So if you've been on Facebook for, 10 minutes, you know that when you post a link on your timeline that takes people off of Facebook, that Facebook penalizes you for that. It reduces your reach. They don't show it to as many of your fans, followers, or friends, and you're likely not going to get very much engagement or commenting on that post. But today, we're going to talk about the 3 secret places that you actually can post a link and not be penalized by Facebook. So let's head on over to my Facebook profile where we can check that out. And if you are new to this channel and you don't ever want to miss a video that is going to help you as an entrepreneur to stand out online and personally brand yourself so you can attract your ideal customer, then go ahead, hit the bell notification and subscribe so that you never miss out when we release a video. So here I am over on my personal and free Facebook profile, and I'm going to share with you one of the first places that I often see entrepreneurs, network marketers, and affiliate marketers overlook when it comes to putting your link on your profile. Right here in the intro section. Let me know in the comments below if you are using your intro section to post your link, or if this is like a huge light bulb going off in your head that you didn't even realize you could put a clickable link here. So oftentimes I see people putting how they help people, what they do for their audience, which is a great start, but they don't invite their audience to take the next step, either leading them to their personal website or to a landing page lead magnet where that person can opt in and you can take them from your social media profile and put them onto your email list. That is so important. If you are new to personally branding yourself, then you might not know that the money is in your list. Social media accounts, you don't own them. They could be shut down at any time. So your goal should always be to move people from these free platforms where you can generate a lot of free leads and get a lot of free traffic and bring them somewhere where you control the information, such as a website or your email list. And this is the first place that I often see people overlook that they're not utilizing to give their ideal customers and business partners a chance to take the next step with them. Now, we already mentioned that you do not want to put it over here in the timeline feed. However, if you are using a streaming software like I'm using right now, you can use banners on your videos and post links right within the banner of the video. Now, it's not going to be clickable. Your audience isn't going to be able to click through to that link. But if you make it short and you make it easy for them to remember or type out, you can still post a link while you're doing a live video and get the advantage of the reach that you're going to get with a Facebook Live, but still be able to post the link. You can also have people comment in the video that they want the information that you're going to deliver during the link And you can go ahead and post that in the comments after your video is posted, and that doesn't seem to hurt your algorithm score. Just make sure that you're not posting the links directly in the description area, because just like a regular post, even if you do it on a live video, you are going to reduce your reach, and you don't want to be spending the time to create content and create a live video and reduce the number of your fans, friends, and followers who actually see it. Now, the next place that I see often overlooked is this featured photo. So a lot of times people have 9 photos here. Nine photos there. And the reason is that Facebook automatically will choose 9 photos for this area. Now, you have the opportunity to go in there and edit those photos so you can create more curiosity about what you're up to. You can showcase you on stage or with your big team or how you help people. But what I like even more than that is to use a single photo here. A single photo that really stands out, and especially if you're on the phone. After this video is over, go head over to your phone, pull up your profile, and look at how prominent that featured photo section is on your mobile device. It is right there in front of people when they look up your profile on the mobile device. So it's a great way for you to capture your ideal customer's attention. And if you don't know how to make a graphic like this, you could just go to a website like Fiverr, or you can go and do it for yourself for free on canva.com and post a beautiful image here. Now I say click here with this. I'm going to show you a little secret. You're not actually getting taken off Facebook when you click on that video. So you're not getting penalized for it. And over here in the description of the actual photo, you're able to type whatever you want. Now, mine right now is actually linking back to my community on Facebook. I'd love to have you join us. It's the Online Marketing Made Fun. It's my free community of entrepreneurs. We just crossed over 1,000 active and engaged members. But you could also post a link here that takes people off of Facebook. Because this isn't in the feed and Facebook isn't deciding whether or not to show this to people in the timeline, and it simply stays static on your profile, you're not going to be penalized for it. So this could as well go to your website or to a specific lead magnet that you really want to direct people to. Maybe you're running a promotion for a product. Maybe you are running a challenge and you want to encourage people to join those things. You could post that link here, even if it's off Facebook, and it's not going to hurt your algorithm. Let me know in the comments which one of these is most impactful for you today. And I've got a bonus tip before we go that I want to share with you. And that is this section right here, your details, right under your bio. Now, this isn't necessarily posting a link on Facebook, but what I want to encourage you to do is to fill in the links to your other social media accounts. When you're building the know, like, and trust factor with your audience, with your potential customers, you want them to be able to see you in all the places that you're active and engaged on social media, so that they get to see all of your best content in many different places. So don't forget to utilize this space in order to share your other social media profiles with your audience. So I hope that those 3 places were new and valuable for you today. And what I want to do before we go is encourage you to go ahead, watch the next video wherever it shows up, and get 5 more tips on how you can attract your ideal customers online using your free Facebook profile. So go ahead, head over to the next video and get some more tips on attracting customers for free on Facebook. I'll see you over in the next video.